What's the meaning of bass drum? Bass drum. Bass drum.
Bass drum. Bass drum. A bass drum is a percussion instrument that produces a deep, resonant sound. It is typically cylindrical in shape and is played with a foot pedal by a drummer in a variety of musical genres, from orchestras to rock bands. The sound of the bass drum provides the foundation for the rhythmic drive and pulse of the music. It is often used in combination with other drum instruments such as snare drums and cymbals to create dynamic, complex rhythms. Depending on the style of music being played, the bass drum can have different levels of prominence in the mix, ranging from a subtle background rumble to a thunderous, driving force.